Code 1 Maintenance presents how to calculate the area of a wing. Calculating the area of a wing is something that you will probably never have to do as a mechanic, but the FAA makes you learn it anyway. You don't actually have to go measure the wing. The measurements will be provided and all you have to do is multiply them. Wingspan is the length of the wing from tip to tip. Chord, or mean chord, or average chord are basically all the same thing and is the distance from the leading edge of the wing to the trailing edge. In this example the wingspan is 50 feet, and the chord is 6 feet 8 inches. To convert the 8 inches into a decimal, simply divide by 12 inches. So 8 divided by 12 equals 0.67 feet. Add that to the 6 feet and you get 6.67 feet. Plug those numbers into the formula and you get 50 feet times 6.67 feet equals 333.5 square feet of wing area. This concludes this training video. We hope you found it useful.